Hello, and welcome to the S3 Hosting for Beginners online course. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Brian. You've made a smart choice by getting access to this course so that you can begin to set up your Amazon S3 account and begin to upload big video files, audio files, or even images, or any file that you want to upload to your account and save a lot of money. So, the purpose of this course is to get you to that point. So I will make sure to keep the process simple, straightforward, and to the point. We are now in the introduction lesson. So what I want to do right now is just to create a flowchart so that you can visually see what is happening as far as integrating your existing web hosting account with Amazon S3. So I want to make sure that you understand that you are not replacing your web hosting account, but rather what you can do is you can size it down while using Amazon S3. So right now, you have a web hosting account, right? That's where you host your WordPress site. And some of you could be paying $10, $20 a month. You could have your virtual private server and you could be paying $130 a month. Or you could have your dedicated server and eventually hit that $200 to $300 per month bill. Now, by using Amazon S3, what it does is it alleviates the burden of having to host tons of heavy-duty files, like video files, audio files, and images. So what ends up happening is, yes, your web hosting account works now, and you could be paying a low fee. But over time, what's going to happen is, as your company grows, or as your website grows, you will get more and more visitors, right? So, the more visitors you get, the heavier of the burden it has on that particular web hosting account or server. And then what will happen is the web hosting company, just as you to upgrade, they will say something like, well, you are maxing out your account, so you are going to need to upgrade to the next level. The next level, and ultimately, you are going to find yourself paying for a dedicated server. Now, what Amazon S3 allows you to do is it allows you to grow on a long-term basis without having that burden. So you can essentially get a cheap virtual private server for $25 and host your domain there. And then place all the images, videos, audio files, or just big files that people are going to download or utilize your bandwidth. So you can place some of these onto the Amazon S3 account. So what that does is it alleviates you from having to actually step up to the next level, to the higher level, and so forth. And actually, this way, what happens is we will have a dedicated server, and we actually move down to a cheap $50 per month virtual private server. To this cheap web hosting account, we link the images, the videos, the audio, and the big files over there because with Amazon, what's nice about this is you could have thousands of people per day accessing the Amazon S3 servers, and it's not going to phase them. It's not going to crash your account or anything. The people that are visiting here, they are going to just go to yourdomain.com. They might be visiting your WordPress site, but all the images and videos and everything are over here. Now, you could put the images here and just stick the big videos, audios, or big files over here. Amazon S3 is not going to replace your hosting. You still have the web hosting account. You still have WordPress on this account. You can still have images, but the whole goal is to alleviate that burden. So now that you understand how it works, let's move on to the next lessons.